Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to Realize Tech. This is the first video on the channel and we're going to be kicking off with a review of one of 2018's best budget mice on the market there is. The VicTsing MM057 Wireless Mouse. I've seen great things about this mouse all over the internet and heard how good it works and how unbelievably cheap it is for only $10 shipped to your bloody door. It's a steal. I went ahead and got myself one from Amazon. There's a link down in the description box below this video of where you can get yourself one if you are interested after this video. Anyways, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so it came just in a nice little simple box. It looks to see there's bubble wrap on the mouse, which is good, so it would have been protected. They do have a menu in here also. I'll fast forward this so you just don't waste your time, but the menu is made very high quality. It tells you very in depth how to do it, how to use it. It's a very good read and it does teach you how to use it properly. And it has multiple languages too. Alright, now let's jump straight into the mouse. It looks to have a very nice black colour to it. That's dope as, and it has a mad logo. The logo is like a nice white, it looks like two tomahawks or like a T kind of thing. But yeah, that is a beautiful mouse. It looks to have 6 buttons in total, I think. But that is just beautiful. It has a very nice matte black on the top, a thumb grip on the side. There's 2 buttons on the other side also, just there. The scroll wheel is also very good. Like, it scrolls easy and it's not hard to use and it makes a very slight noise, which is good also. Now this only takes 1 battery, unlike normal mice that take 2. This only takes 1, so that's very handy, and it only takes 1 AA battery. Okay, so now the wireless receiver for this is tiny, which is absolutely amazing. And all it is just a USB, like you can just put it straight into the USB port of your laptop or your PC, and it'll connect straight away, and there's no like downloading software. It's pretty quick, you just have to click like OK, and then pretty much it's set up and you go. But righto, let's throw a battery in this bad boy and get it going. So it just takes 1 AA battery, that's all you need to run this, which is very handy. And for $10 guys, this is an absolute steal. Honestly, $10 shipped to your door, that's absolutely crazy. Like the battery nearly costs as much as it, which is pretty crazy. Anyways, let's throw this bad boy in, I'll throw it on for you and I'll show you how it works. I've already used the mouse just like this. I've had one for about 6 months now that I've been using on my PC. Just because I needed a wireless mouse for it, but it's been working very well. It has a good like motion to the mouse. Okay, so let's set this up to my laptop. Here's the receiver. It's very little, and you just throw it in the side, and you're in your USB port of your laptop, which I thought was absolutely amazing about this mouse. For 2018, this would have to be one of the best, if not the best, budget mice that is on the market. I'd honestly believe that. Out of all the ones I've used, I've probably went through about 9 the last year, and this, for under like $50, is hands down the best mouse I've got. So hopefully you can see there on the PC. I'll just set it up. I haven't used it on my Apple laptop yet, but I'll just throw it on here. Okay, so now we'll just have to click one more option, and this will be set up. It's very simple to set this up. It only takes like 10 seconds, as you can see. Now hopefully you can see the mouse moving around on there. If you can't, I'll just move the laptop over in front of you so you can. There you go, now you'll be able to see the mouse. Hopefully you can see it. Just there, moving around. It's following my hand very well. It has a very good motion, like very good sense. Also with this mouse, it has a very cool option. It has 5 settings of like sensitivity of how fast the cursor will follow your, mouse around, if that makes sense. And so basically this is just set on the first basic like original option that it comes with, and it works absolutely amazing, but you can fasten it up so it follows it tighter or less, but it's up to you. I prefer it just how it is, but if you tighten it up it'll be even like quicker, but there's already no lag in it. It's a very good mouse and just as it is works fine. As I said, there are 6 buttons. There's a back and forth button on the side there for your thumb, the scroll button, 2 buttons on the front and top, and then You can just grab it off Amazon here. It's only $9 as you can see, like I said before. So if you want to get yourself one of these, I'll have a link down in the description box below. So go over there and grab yourself one if you wanted one. It's a very good budget mouse. Anyways guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. There's going to be many more to come, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways guys, till next one.